Welcome. In this video, we'll provide a quick overview of the configuration module within the Asset Naming Assistant. This module empowers administrators to control how assets are named and managed across the organization. From enabling specific asset types to defining category behavior and token logic, it lays the groundwork for consistent and structured asset class creation. Let's begin with the Asset tab. Here, you can enable or disable the types of assets your team is allowed to create, such as emails, landing pages, forms, programs, and campaigns. Once you've made your selections, click Save to confirm them. Next, navigate to the Categories tab. This is where administrators define business categories used to organize and structure asset names. We'll cover this in more detail in our next video. Now, let's click on the Tokens tab. Tokens are used exclusively within programs to insert dynamic values into an asset name. You can define the type, order, and format for each token. For now, understand that tokens are used only in programs. We'll go into more detail about tokens in our next video. Next, we'll visit the Rules tab. This is where you configure how the final asset name is constructed. You can define the separator character that gets inserted when a name is applied to an asset. Choose whether to append values like asset ID or epoch time, and select which category should impact the asset name. We'll cover this in more detail in our next video. Now, click on the CDO Configuration tab. This allows you to map asset-related data to custom data objects, or CDOs, including both system-defined and business-defined categories. Finally, in the miscellaneous settings, you can configure advanced options such as enabling asset tagging, restricting specific characters in asset names, setting suggested asset name length, defining default email parameters, and configuring UTM parameters for email tracking, among other things. That concludes our overview of the configuration module. With these settings in place, your organization can enforce consistent and scalable asset management standards across the team. Don't forget to check out our upcoming videos where we'll explore categories, rules, and other critical configuration areas in more detail.